Hi everyone, welcome to challenge number 8. Here is the question. Find the remainder when 7 to the power of 725 is divided by 100. Well, we have to try reminders for first few powers of 7 when divided by 100 to get some clue. Let us begin with 7 to the power of 1. When divided by 100, remainder is 7. 7 square, 49. When divided by 100, remainder is 49. 7 cube, 343. When divided by 100, remainder is 43. 7 to the power of 4, 2401. When divided by 100, the remainder is 1. We will be interested in this because the remainder is 1. Coming back to the question, 7 to the power of 725 can be written as 7 multiplied by 2401 to the power of 181. We have seen 2401 leaves remainder 1. So 2401 to the power of 181 also leaves remainder 1. Hence 7 multiplied by 2401 to the power of 181 leaves remainder 7 into 1, that is 7 when divided by 100. Hence the answer is 7.